Fucking the boat, man.
Hell yeah.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa! Jesus, fuck.
The winter forest.
A winter forest. It's beautiful. Feel like I'm in Canada.
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 Oh, damn. You seen this shit, dude?
What's up there? This
It's
is a giant,
fucking
beautiful
awesome.
orange. What is that, a bunny?
Yeah, dude, snow bunnies.
Fucking died. Got him.
Man, this is sweet.
More bunnies.
Bunnies everywhere.
John don't like bunnies.
This is sick. Oh, there's a fucking dope-ass ravine over here. Whoa. Oh, fuck, dude. Oh, fuck.
Ow! What the? Jeez, have another drink, Ray.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my god. Ah! Oh!
Where the fuck are you? Oh.
I'm over here finding this coal. I think I got it. Wait, what's down here? Copper.
Don't load up on useless shit.
We don't need copper?
We can get copper at home.
We can get copper.
Copper we
There's
have
copper at home.
The copper at home.
Oxidized.
Yeah. Oh, fuck, what's over there? Village Succi.
Are they evil?
No.
Fuck them up, dude.
Oh, fuck them up, dude. We can stay the night here. The sun's almost done.
Hey, lanterns.
Yeah, you can steal those.
Fuck yeah, these are mine now. Brewing stand. Dang, we need that for the bar.
Yes.
What the fuck is this guy doing in here? Sleeping, bruh? There's a chest in here. Leather Turro. Tonic. Sorry.
Turro. Suit here.
Oh, potatoes?
6 potato and a beetroot soup. For
I'm
you.
all full.
Oh, what the hell do you got on you?
Yeah, I
You
have
just got like dirt blocks and shit on you?
Yeah.
What are you
Yeah,
cobblestone? Get that shit out of here.
I'm sorry, I didn't realize.
What the fuck?
I don't know if I need 2 fishing poles.
I see the children.
Should I hit them?
No.
Do we really need these sweet berry bushes?
Yes.
I mean, keep them, yeah.
Hi, Des.
Hola.
Where the fuck did you go?
I'm way over here at the end of the river.
Oh, okay. Screw
You go in this.
Dude, I was drifting pretty hard.
Hell yeah, dude.
What do you got there? Some sugar?
Booger sugar?
This would be a good time to bust some of that out. What's up here? Feel like a cave could be on the other side. Where you at? You on
I'm on top of the mountain.
I'm coming.
I gotta sleep up here.
I probably should go out of bed.
Heading
Now
down
what?
the other side towards the Winterland.
Yeah,
He
fucking,
moves with
I'll
such
get up here
intelligence,
faster.
Like he knows what.
Oh, will you?
Ah.
Oh.
I would have got there.
I would've got there. Bitch.
Fuck you.
What's up, bud?
Holy
Yes,
smokes,
sir.
look at this place, man.
Yeah, it's big mountains, bro.
Fucking up here, bro. Wow, we went through that whole area. We're badass.
We're on
I
top
don't
of the
even
mountain,
know.
bro. Holy fuck,
that?
dude!
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god!
I'm scared. This is too high. Blah.
This is fucking nuts. Holy fuck!
Oh. Whoa. Do not.
Yeah, we're not going down there.
Fuck, I'm getting hit by a bow and arrow. Skeletons.
I got him.
That's a
Fine.
perfectly good pickaxe.
It's a stone pickaxe. I have another one, I think.
So we're all picky here. I only have one. It's one.
I have a diamond. I'll be fine.
He plays, Tess.
I'm gonna play.
Redwoods.
Should we get some bushes? All right, I got berries, man. I mean, I got 56 of them. I hear sheep. Meh. Bit. I mean, this is nice. Whoa, we We go down there?
Nah.
I don't want
What's
to walk.
that?
I just want to play Minecraft.
What is this?
It's mossy cobblestone. Yeah, we're in a taiga forest suit.
Mushrooms.
Good.
Dare me?
I dare you.
I dare you.
Free! Like those YouTubers.
Shh.
Where you at, bud? Alright, I see ya.
Careful.
What
Sushi.
flavor
I
of
was
pickaxe?
right here.
No, turn around, motherfucker. Where are you going?
I'm fucking just chilling.
Whoa! Oh, it's a lush cave down there? Fuck! Such, we gotta be careful.
Yeah, you're coming off the side.
Oh, just watch this. Watch this.
Oh
Let's
yeah,
do this.
dude, do that. Yeah. Oh my god, you're golden.
Yeah.
Your brain is huge, dude. That's crazy.
Whee! Careful, Such.
It's a boat?
No, no boat.
dude,
I
no
mean, you
boat.
could do the boat if you wanted.
Yeah. Well, why didn't you just boat off the edge?
Ah!
You could do that too. Is this all clay? What is this?
I think it is.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Hey, you didn't find
Clay.
it. Oh, that's right. Lush biomes are full of clay. That's all
Yeah.
clay.
What are we getting?
This is why you're out
Clay.
here.
The white stuff. Such, it's way danker further down if you come down.
Did Adam die?
What do you mean further down? Where'd you go?
What happened?
Adam, you fell.
What happened?
Okay.
Adam just died so hard.
Why? You're in the Lush cave.
Where are you?
Wait, did you teleport to me?
Yeah.
Why
I
would you?
hear something.
Oh, I found it. Hang on.
Suchi, I'm
Oh,
floating down the
Teleport to
waterfall.
me. Teleport to me.
Oh.
Teleport.
Alright.
I'm down at the bottom.
You're my hero.
Dude, this
No,
waterfall
I'm
shit is not for
Run,
me, man.
Adam! Run!
You just gotta go straight
Where's-
down. You don't gotta do straight.
Where's the diamonds? Where are my diamonds?
I'm
Where?
gonna fucking die, dude.
Do you want to be saved right now?
No, I need my diamonds.
Oh,
I see
what?
it.
Oh, you lost your diamonds?
I see it all. I see it all. I'm watching it. Don't touch that stuff, Such. It's chilling.
I don't see your diamonds.
What
Did
is
you
all
lose
that?
all of your
I
diamonds?
see the diamonds. No, I see the diamonds. They're up right by us.
Do you really?
Yeah,
by
yeah. I
you?
see everything.
Oh, teleport to me, Adam.
Or teleport to me. Or yeah, whatever.
Yes,
What are you doing here?
There.
Right there, behind you.
Holy shit. Thank you.
There's iron behind you. There's iron behind you.
All I care is that I got my 64 diamonds back, my pickaxes.
Fuck, dude. There's too much water
What
for
is not the
all
nice
this
number?
clay. Damn, you
Holy
see all
fuck,
this
dude.
fucking goddamn glowberry, Such? This is crazy.
This place is pretty epic, I'll tell you that.
Pretty-
How do I get home?
Wait, me? I'm spectating.
No, I was looking at I teleported to desk.
I'm in a boat. Wait, where
Alright.
are you? Are you in the
On
water?
sapphires.
I need to go home.
Oh, you want to go
Follow.
home? Hang on a second.
No!